All right, what's up, YouTube? Back with another live trade session. Tokyo, looking for 8 p.m. setup. So I'm looking for my trade setup to happen between 8 and 9:30 on all pairs. Between 8 and 9:30. So I'm looking for my trade setup to happen. If it don't happen between those times, I'm done. You're really not, to be honest, but we'll see what the market give us tonight. I'm looking for prices to take out the most recent liquidity, high or low, on the 15. Then I'm gonna go down to the 1 minute and look for an entry. Simple. We got around 20 minutes until 8. Already ran that. So as of now, to be right here. It's the most recent as of now. Alright, mark up Nas. Shit, this would be the most recent for me. Again, all I'm looking for is the most recent liquidity to be ran on the 15. And I'm going out to the 1 minute and look for entry. Looking for change of character, market structure shift, retest, and I'm in that thing. Targeting either the low or the high, depending on which one break first. And now we just wait. I ain't gonna mess with US 30 tonight. I mean, I'll mark it up, but I ain't gonna trade it. And, okay, this wasn't taken yet. Say this right here. It's the most recent. All right, now I gotta readjust this. No, this is the most recent. Recent high and low area for gold. About 20 something, 20 minutes, 23 minutes. But the run of liquidity has to happen during these, in between these times, 8 and 9:30. still hasn't broke this yet. So this? It's a waiting game now. Waiting for this breakout, top side or the bottom side. As soon as it peak out, go to the 1 minute and look for entry. So come out of here, looking for it to come back. It should come out here first. Look for the same thing. That's all I'm looking for. Peak the top, go to the 1 minute, expect for it to drop. Peak the bottom, go to the 1 minute, expect for it to fly. $19 to 8. This is where 8 o'clock candle gonna start. So I'm really only watching Nas and Gold. Like this candle real quick. Coffee and whiskey. That's the name of the candle. Alright, where we going? Where we going? We'll let go. Might break out to the upside first, which means we looking. Might come out of this box to the upside first, so we looking for sales. If that happens. 15 minutes. Oh, let me move that. I need to lock it. I moved it already. Hold up. Can't be. This might take Nas a minute. I'm looking for is a breakout or for price to come outside of the top of the bottom, this white line or this white line on the 15 minute time frame. If it come out the bottom on the 15, I'm going to the 1 minute time frame and I'm looking for buys. Same for vice versa. If it come out here, no matter if it just wick, as soon as it come out either side, if it come out here, I'm looking for sales. Same setup on Nas and Gold. All right. As of right now, these are the most recent levels of liquidity. Or the most recent range, however you want to look at it. I'm gonna have to adjust it again. It didn't happen at 8 o'clock. If it break out before or peak out before, really, I'm not looking for a breakout. I'm looking for prices to come above and then reverse on a lower time frame. Okay, never mind. Still got 13 minutes left on this candle. Let me check on Nas. Nah, if it peak out on both of them, we looking for sales on both. We are in the current uptrend though. It's been trending up for a while, so I'm really expecting sales. But dealing with gold and Nas, you never know. Waiting for reactions. So you waiting on reactions. That trade was crazy. 1 5 1 8. Gonna be like that every night, every day. I think that was a morning trade. looking like on the higher time frame? 1 hour. We trending to the downside as of right now. Look like overall, man, look like it already broke out on this channel. This flag right here. Let me delete that. Yeah, we gonna come down for a little bit at least. Mark this is a start, and black is a cutoff. What's the spread looking like on Nas? Spread on gold is 27. Spread on gold is 160. I mean Nas is 167. God, shit, it look better than gold to be honest. Let's see what's up though. We got 8 more minutes. 7:45 to be exact. Pretty much looking like the same setup tonight. If it peak out. within our window. The white starts it, the black ends it. 8 to 9:30. That's when I'm looking for my setup to happen. Alright, what's the move? Alright, what I'm looking for, price to come either out this white line at the top or the bottom. If you come out the top, I'm looking for sales. Come out the bottom, I'm looking for buys. Simple as that. On gold and eyes. We got 1 minute to 8 o'clock. That's my window. White line 8, black line 9:30. That's why I'm looking for my setup to happen. On both. I'm not worried about US 30 tonight. I just trade Nas 100 and gold. So price come out up here. I'm going to the 1 minute, look for sales. Vice versa. Oh yeah, I'm really looking at gold though. It look more smooth. Like a more clean setup. It's a lot of noise in here. But we do have this fair value gap after this displacement, but it didn't break structure. Didn't get a change of character until it closed below this. So we'll see. Just a waiting game right now. Per usual. Alright, 8 o'clock. See what you want to do. Let me go to 9. I got gold open on my other screen. Hold on. Alright, look, the same setup on both. Which one I'm gonna take though? Whichever one come first. Happen first. So gold look like. Again, I'm looking for it to come out, then retrace on the 1 minute. That's what these arrows for. That's what I'm expecting. Hey, bet, go. Bet. I'm like, we about to be looking for sales. That trade was that 8? Yeah, that was 8 too. Alright. Oh, shit. Alright, we peaked out. Now we go to the 1 minute. Now we just wait for uh, a market structure shift on the 1 minute for our entry. Yeah, nah, still in that range. So gold is the trade for the night. Go ahead and close that other chart. I'm looking for a setup, something like this. Make a new high, and then break that low. Change the character. Got this placement right here. Hopefully it'll be an order block somewhere within this leg, so it can retrace into it. So I'm looking for order block, the 50% mark uh, of the pullback after the market structure shift. If there is no order block or supply demand. So then once this occurs, I'm looking for it to come back to this area and then finish. So somewhere within here. That's what I'm looking for. Something like that. Spread close. Spread close up a little bit. Nas is still in that range here, so go to this tonight. So basically, I'm looking for this pattern, but up here. So you see, we got market structure shift. As soon as it closes above, can't retest the 50% of this placement. There's no order block, so can't retest the 50%. And it took off. That's all I'm looking for. But I'm looking for it to sell instead of buy. So I'm looking for this, but inverted basically. All right, so price close below this. That'll become a damn. Okay, that'll become a breaker block. That's what I was about to say. So this could potentially be, bring that down a little bit. Our first setup. Yeah, let me change that back. Can't even see it. Should be got to close below. trade setup would look like. One to two, first and foremost, and then overall, this range low. Yeah, that's an entry right there. Kinda iffy on it though, but we'll see. Put it a little above this week. Mm, we had this closed below that engulfing, so we'll see what's up. Okay, okay. You got some nice wick rejections from this breaker block. See if I want to hold. I need you to break these wick lows. Nah, still in there. That's crazy, bro. We get tapped out. We look for the same setup. Let's wait for it to happen again. Get in again. That'd be our second entry for the night. If not, this one here, we done. Unless another setup happen before 9:30. Before we get to this black line. We'll see. It's looking kind of crazy on the 5 minute. So we got this breaker block, and we also have block within a block. That's why I put my stop loss above here. But like this first one might be an L. It's all good. You can win every night, every trade. Shit. I was already iffy because this was all too close. But shit, it could still maintain it. Ain't invalidated it yet. There's really no displacement though, so I shouldn't even mark that as an entry. Go ahead and take me out. Cause I see what you're doing now. Unless you gonna respect it to the wick. I hate when Price do that shit. Go ahead and delete that one. I say the setup gonna happen either way. The first entry or the second setup, it gotta retrace. It already took liquidity on the 15. It's taking its time though. That's a decent close. It didn't go both of them. Damn near. Remember, it's 1 to 2. And overall is the range low. The overall TP is the range low. Okay, okay, okay. You about to close like that? Bet. Bet that. I need at least one more candle to create this displacement. Just one more. These are already big enough. These candles have a lot of volume. Every trace is nasty. All right, let's see it retrace into this fair value gap from this wick to that space right there. That's where it's at. That's where we at with it. Didn't feel it all the way, but definitely got that retracement. See what's up. I don't like how big that candle is though. Right after it just created these two. I don't like that at all. All right, now I completely filled it. What's today? Tuesday? Yeah, it shouldn't be consolidating this much on a Tuesday. It's only a Wednesday type of thing. All right, so since we peaked out the top, I don't need that one. 'Cause this is what I'm expecting. Came out the top, expecting to reach the bottom. Shit. Come on, go. Start moving. There we go. See if we can continue this win streak. I'm up 2-0 this week. As of right now. Took a twin trade yesterday. Didn't trade New York. Only traded Tokyo session. That was a trade I posted to my social. Candle is black on the 15 minute. We on this is a 1 minute chart right here, but I'm looking at it another chart. 15 minute is black. So we got a down candle on the 15. We already got two down candles on the 5. We might take off. Start to take off after it close below here. There we go. Got another breaker block. Close below. This engulfing. Same thing that happened right here. This red line. Here's another one. EBB stands for engulfing breaker block. So that's the second one. EBB 1. EBB 2. Like the spread opened up a little bit. What you on, go? It's 8 o'clock, G. Inside of a 1 minute for a value gap. Let's see what's up. It's making lower lows as of now, so the trend is definitely transition. See if it wants to maintain. Because we are now at this 1 minute resistance level right here, so it may stutter a little bit before breaking through. So we got a little resistance right here. So we break through this. should be golden. And it's looking like it want to break, but we'll see. It already wicked it, and then yeah, look at it. Let's see. I need to break. Support, not resistance. I needed to break support and then turn into resistance, or break the floor and turn into a ceiling. So we have to close below the box, come back into it, as a retracement, and then continue. But I don't know. Let's see. It's playing right now. We've been in profit like 7 times since the entry. Looking nice on the 5 minute. I just need you to start looking like I need the 1 minute to start looking like the 5 minute. It don't look like it's trying to go higher at all. But this zone is it's starting to turn into a strong support. Too many wicks. I don't like it. Um, I'm gonna hold it though. I feel like when the move do happen, it's gonna be quick. Last night, man, that trade was crazy. I didn't even get to see the candle build up. It just printed, and the TP was out. Candle was like right here. In a couple seconds, it was down here. I'm like, bro, what? Wasn't even news last night. We taking those all day. Okay, bodies is starting to close lower. Back at the support. And we get a closure below this wick. That'll be EBB3, engulfing breaker block 3. That'll be the third one that is broke. The wick don't matter to me. The body gotta close below for it to count. Alright, didn't quite close below it. We'll see though. Let's go. Keep pushing. Oh, you want to close like that? Nah. Don't be trying to bring the volume back to the buy side, G. Nah. And this would be the fourth one, bro. You just fall. You loading up for what, bro? You doing too much in one area, G. It's gonna be the fourth breaker block. golfing, you done invalidated. This motherfucker about to. I feel like it's about to drop. So we basically got our pattern I was looking for in the beginning. Straight like that. It's right here. Created our eye, and then close right below it. So I told you I will look for it to come back into this area right here before continuing. You can retrace and do whatever you want to do between there, but it's straight like that. So we got low, high, low, high, close below the low. Retrace back into it, start creating newer lows, newer lower lows. This resistance a little too strong for my liking though. It was just falling. What happened, G? Yeah, look at that. After it broke. Well, we can't really count this one. It didn't break it, but it broke too. So let's see. I don't know what it could be trying to come back to though. To be honest. But yeah, that's basically the pattern. Got an uptrend. Ooh. Come back to this area. Continue. Like I said, don't have it on the first setup. Catch it on the next one. If it happens before 9:30. Or trading on the 1 minute, you're just getting the best entry that you could get. But we'll see. It would have to invalidate this right here. Supply. There's a lot going on within price right here. Delete all this noise. I didn't expect the resistance to hold. Machine, that's what come with it. No strategy. No strategy is 100%. Computer almost died on me. Oh, playing again tonight. I always want to play, then want to do what I want to do on the second setup. A little iffy. 30 seconds. Those are ugly clothes. Mm. Let's go. Gonna end the streak tonight. We ain't out yet. But that's wild though. You did all that. That support was strong. It's a second engulfing and created at this level. What you own, man. Go ahead and leave. Complete the move, G. You're not making new highs. You're just retracing. So you still want to come down. What are you? Hey, let's go about it. Nas is peaked. Motherfucker still inside that range. Crazy work. That's wild. Still would have been waiting on nine. And gold on BS as always. Excuse me. Your trades will vary. Sometimes you might be in it for 10 minutes, sometimes 20, sometimes 30. Depends on the setup, what the market want to do. Once you hit buy or sell out of your control, it's a matter of hitting TP or stop loss. As long as you got your analysis and your bias and your structured strategies with rules and everything to follow, I mean, should be good. But remember, nothing is 100%. You can do everything right and still lose. No strategy is 100%. Gotta accept that. Accept the fact that you're gonna lose when you trade. Nothing is 100%. Nothing in life is 100%. So you can't expect nothing to be 100% anywhere else. Just keep putting that one foot forward, execute, follow your rules, and let that be that. All right, these next two candles should give us what we need. Either gonna take us out or, you feel me? So the win streak is about to be ended. Yep, there we go. Tapped out. So it went for, what's that? One and one and a half. So all we would do now is look for the same thing. Just looking for the same pattern. So we got it right here. So I'm looking for something like that. So these are equal lows right here. So it can't really count it as it breaking through because the body didn't break below these wicks. So missed the first setup. Delete this shit. Now we see what's up. Wait for displacement with an order block or fair value gap attached to it. Take another entry for a sale. My bias is still to sell. Yeah. Took out this liquidity. Yeah. I'm still targeting this low. But again, setup don't happen before we get to this black line before 9:30. So done. Done looking. I'll come back tomorrow. Don't tell me you just took all these sell stops just to come down. All these stop losses that was placed above these wicks just to get me to set up. Because it created another engulfing again in this area. This wick just took us out the trade. And we do have a breaker block right here. Well, it's not validated as a breaker block yet. But this is in engulfing. So if price close below that, it'll change it from an upward block to a breaker block. If it close below here, our point of interest will be right here. Since it's all close, wouldn't expect it to come back in this drop right here. Because it's an order block all in within this leg of structure. So this whole leg right here would be this one candle. So that's why we anticipate to come to the top in this case. one drop. But it just looked like in the form of this because it's one big candle. Alright, so we're about to get our breaker block if it closed below. And this is an engulfing too, actually. The small candle. I didn't even see that because I was so zoomed out. This one right here, that's one too, but it would have to close below these wick lows for that one to be validated. But I believe this one was just validated. Yeah, it was. So that's one. Then we got two. So I mean, this is an engulfing order block. So it could come back to this area before retracing, and instead of this area. But either way, depending on what type of trader you are, you got it right here. Then go for a 1 or 2, or you can wait for this POI. Go for a 1 or 2. We'll see. I need you to, I need you to break through that, G. Come on, gang. Alright, that's what I really wanted right here. That's what I really wanted. Now, I will look for it to come back to this area since it actually created a leg of structure. I actually looked for this, and it broke below this resistance or support. Now it's time resistance, but we'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna take this. I don't know. I like how it's looking on the 15 though. I ain't even gonna hold you. I ain't really get displacing right here. I shouldn't have counted that. But it's all good. You live and you learn. It should have been nothing but black candles, or at least more consecutive, not two. Like this from start. There's a breaker block right here too. Breaker block. Alright. Why I keep doing that? That actually lines up well with the 5 minute too. So I'll look for this area right here to be a while. Let me show you what I'm looking at. Got this breaker block on the 5 minute and this one on the 5 minute. All within that 1 minute price action structure. Let's go back. Ooh. Yeah. So this setup right here, it broke below this breaker block and it looked like it's trying to respect it. That didn't close as an engulfing, then yeah, you about to take off. But this is what I was looking for. This is really the displacement that should have happened over here. This one broke structure and actually closed below structure, and it started to reject off of the retest already. So if this don't close as an engulfing, then we may come up to retest this order block, but it already came and retested this fair value gap after it created this displacement. So we had displacement, fair value gap, and the order block. So then you feel me, use whatever POI gets his first because they're already in the same area, and you just target, put your stop loss above the highs. But since that's not an engulfing, I expect it to retest up a little higher before coming down. But it don't have to do that. That is from my experience. That's what I'm used to seeing. So we'll see. Alright, so we close below this support. It's trying to use it as resistance. Nah, I'm gonna keep it. at this order block, or this breaker block is EBB3 right here. That's what that would be. All right, look like it's trying to respect it as resistance instead of support now. How we closing? We ain't break it. Barely. It's still too close. Still too close. See what's up. There's a lot going on right here. We had support resistance, breaker block, fair value gap, retest into the fair value gap at the same area as we had buy side fair value gap. They both lined up, so this made this. This is why this area it retraced off of this area instead of coming to this order block because we had the buy side and the sell side fair value gap lining up on both sides. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Lining up on both sides, and then so that makes that POI a higher point of interest, basically, higher probability for it to want to retrace from there. Here we go. Played with us at first, but I was a little impatient with that first one. This is the type of leg structure I was looking for right here, but it wasn't consistent, or the candles wasn't big enough, and it didn't break structure at all. Look at these wicks. It didn't really break this wick until it got um, into the support. But right here we had clear breaker structure, clear breaker structure. It actually broke legs of structure with this leg versus with this leg. So that was just me jumping the gun. Take note of it, move on. That's all you can do. Try not to make the same mistakes again. Understand why you lost so you don't lose the same way again. Perfect it as you go. And in turn, that'll just up your win rate. Again, it'll never be 100%. Never. You can get closer to that 80, 85. but only if you follow your rules every single time. That's when it matters most. If you don't follow your rules once, then that trade don't really matter. You just got lucky. It went for a 1-1. Yeah, we starting to get the same thing. You can see it right here. Boom, boom, boom. Came down, retraced, took off. Exactly what I was looking for. Retrace, take off. Straight like that. Same setup every day. Literally could just drag it over and put it into price. So this one here will be 3-1. Start out the week. Oh, okay, you charge him. I say, bro, laptop being on one. One stops break even. Partial taken. It look nice on the 5 minute. For sure. Look at that. Look real nice. Yeah, so I should have just waited for the second leg of structure. Because it's basically just a retracement. Then it wanted to confirm that it wanted to transition right here. wasn't trading. We don't trade. I ain't trading it on the 5 minute. 15 and a one. Mark previous liquidity on the 15. Yeah, we about to. Yeah, that's a trade already a winner. But all I did was I marked my I marked from the time frames of 8 p.m. to 9:30. I'm looking for my setup to happen in between those times, preferably right at the start of 8:30 or a few minutes after. But on the 15 minute, this is the time frame we on 15. We wait for we like I said we mark out the most recent liquidity on the top side and the bottom side. It don't have to be a full leg of structure. The most recent. So I got this high right here and this low. Pulled it out to the side. And I'm just waiting for a price to either come above the zone that I got marked or below. If it come above, I'm looking for sales. If it come above first, I'm looking for sales on the 1 minute. If it goes below first, I'm looking for buys on the 1 minute. So considering the fact that it came above first on the 15 minute, so when that happened, went to the 1 minute. Basically, look for this pattern right here. Market structure shift. That's it. And TP 1 2 about to get hit. Now we had one setup. I had one setup over here. It was early. It was a loser. So that ended the streak. But we'll see what's up. This trade is already a winner. I got a dub. Hit 1-1. Price was already taken, so it really could do whatever it want to do right now. So we 3-1 for the week, and it's Tuesday. I don't know what that was. That was there was no fair value gap, none of that. Why you just spike up like that? Go random. But it's looking like a dub. And this gonna be the last setup for the night. There we go. Lost the first one, won the second one. Again, 15 minute mark most recent buy side and sell side liquidity, which means the liquidity on the top and the bottom, which is what this white line of this black box is. So this white line right here is the liquidity at the top. Black line right here is the liquidity at the bottom. You want to mark the most recent liquidity around 8 p.m. EST. So this white line right here is 8 p.m. So the recent liquidity was this wick low. Let me zoom in a little bit. The most recent liquidity was this wick low, and the most recent liquidity to the top side was these wicks right here. So price opened up on this candle right here, and then we had these two recent liquidity points. So again, on the 15 minute for sales, you look for price to come up above or out of this box on the 15 minute. Then you go to the 1 minute and look for your entry. Vice versa. If it came out of the sell side liquidity first, or if it tapped that first, you go to the 1 minute and look for buys. And you want to target a 1 or 2 first, which overall TP will be the in this case it'll be the range low of this range or my box. And that's it. You're just waiting for 8 o'clock. Marking from 8 o'clock to 9:30. That's where you're looking for your setup to happen. And those are the rules. Straight like that. So once you do go to the 5 minute, this is the setup you're looking for. This setup right here. And again, I already dragged it over, but if you just now joining, it's literally right here. Just the setup. High, low, higher high. Broke it. Came to retest. But it retested this area, this fair value gap. So we didn't fully get it to pull all the way back. But this is the pullback right here. This closure and these wicks, that counts as that pullback. And then takes off. That's what you expect. This set up on the 1 minute after you get the run of liquidity on the 15. All right, well, I ain't gonna watch it hit overall, but tomorrow if it does, then I'll record it and upload the screenshot. But other than that, look like 1 and 2 is all I wanted to give. And we do have these zones right here that it can still react off of, but yeah, so we good. But other than that, 1 and 2 is already hit. Lost 1 tonight. Current streak is 3-1 for the week. All right, I'm